If you're a watch enthusiast, you might know that Rolex is one of the most popular luxury watch brand out there. But did you know that buying a used Rolex can cost you more than buying a brand new one? It might seem contrary to common sense, but there is a reason behind this trend, and it has to do with the economics of the watch market. First of all, it's important to understand that getting your hands on a new Rolex watch is not an easy feat. Rolex has limited production capacity and demand for the watches has been increasing over the years. This means that if you walk into a Rolex store today, you're unlikely to find the exact watch you're looking for. In fact, some people have to wait for months or even years to get their hands on a new Rolex. This is where the secondary market comes in. If you really want a specific Rolex watch and can't wait for it to be available in a store, you can turn to the resale market. But because these watches are in high demand and limited supply, their prices often skyrocket. In fact, a used Rolex Daytona watch can sometimes cost over $38,000 even though a brand new one costs $14,800. So the question is, why are people willing to spend so much money on a used watch? There are a few reasons. For one, some collectors prefer the patina and wear marks on older watches, as they add characters and history to the piece. Additionally, certain rare styles or discontinued model can be more desirable to collectors, this driving up their value. But there's also a more practical reason why people are turning to the secondary market. It's often the only way to get the watch they want. As we mentioned earlier, new Rolex watches are hard to come by, and some people are willing to pay a premium to avoid waiting for months or even years. In fact, a report from the Boston Consulting Group found that 40% of watch collectors said that one of their top reasons for buying a pre-owned watch was to avoid long waiting lists in the primary market. And the secondary market for watches has been growing rapidly over the past decade, thanks in the part to the rise of online marketplaces like Bob's Watches. The husband and wife duo behind the site say that they currently have one of the largest sections of used Rolex watches in the world. They have seen consistent growth of 30 to 40% year over years, and in 2019 they did $100 million in sales. Despite the success of the secondary market, Rolex itself has historically been absent from this space. That is until late 2022, when the company launched its certified pre-owned program. This program allows retailers to send used Rolex that are at least 3 years old back to the watchmaker for verification and certification. Once a watch has been verified, it can be sold with an official Rolex certificate, giving buyers peace of mind that they are getting an authentic piece. The launch of the certified pre-owned program could be a game changer for the watch market. For one, it gives Rolex more control over the resale market, which has historically been dominated by third-party sellers. It also provides a new revenue stream for the company, as it takes a cut of each certified pre-owned sale. So what does all this mean for watch enthusiasts? Well, if you're in the market of a Rolex, you now have more options than ever before. Whether you're willing to wait for a new watch or are looking to buy pre-owned, buyers now have more options than ever before to get their hands on an authentic piece. And with the launch of Rolex Certified Pre-Owned program, one can now buy a used watch that comes with an official certificate. In conclusion, buying a used Rolex can be a costly decision, but it's a trend that has been fueled by economics of the watch market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.